In this video, we will demonstrate how to integrate your subscription plans set up on various apps with the Easy Bundles app. You may encounter an error while enabling the subscription fee, stating that to offer the bundle as a subscription, all its products must be part of the same subscription plan in the Shopify settings. We will guide you on how to resolve this issue by examining the setups of the major subscription apps on Shopify. Firstly, we will look at the Shopify Subscription App. Upon downloading the app, the first instruction is to create a plan. By clicking on Create a Plan, you can name this plan. For instance, we'll name it Subscribe and Save Shopify Subscriptions and select the products that need to be part of this plan. It's crucial to ensure that all products that are part of the bundle are also included in this subscription plan. You can adjust the frequency of the plan as desired and then click Save. This completes the setup in the Shopify Subscription App. Next, we will examine the Appstle subscriptions. Similar to the previous step, you need to create a subscription plan and select all the products that will be part of the bundle. For simplicity, we will select all the products in the store and add them here. You can set up different subscription plans and name them accordingly. Once done, click Save. Moving on to Seal subscriptions, you will be prompted to create a subscription rule. Choose the type of subscription you want, select the products that you want to be part of the subscription, and give it a name. We will select all the products that are part of the bundle, name this rule, and click Save. Once you have created a similar subscription plan on your current subscription app, you can return to the Easy Bundle app and click on Sync Collection. This ensures that all changes made on the product are also updated on the Easy Bundles app. Proceed to the subscriptions bundle that you've set up. Select Subscription, then click Subscription Plans. Here, you will see the 3 different plans that we've set up across the 3 different apps. The reason these plans are now visible and not causing any errors is because we ensured that all the products that are part of the bundle are selected. These were the products that were part of the bundle, and we've ensured that they are also part of our subscription plan. Because of this, we can now see the different subscription plans that we have created on the different apps. Once you've made your selection, simply save it and then customize the subscription as required. Thank you.